Siat Khnam Kenthai Bat Chinrang Naka Southwest Khasi Hills District Kila Yoban Bat Ekakardan Baha Lordo Jong Kamiet Khur Takama Hakas ngikut Jong Kelempung Iakob Siat Khnam Meghalaya State Archery Championship Arhajar Arpunriu Kabalakut no anin kesngi Kumba ars pangut ki kena bat kumju ki Samla ni ki kat artli ki district ke jela kila poi ban yakun hakani ki Iakob kabala pelong lais ngi lenter hamadan ni leka Jong Kasai STC haskul bat NEHU Hakabakut ke Iakob ke kenhun ni leka na Southwest Khasi Hills kila yok ban khur pratli kita kemaksiar shpautli kita kemarupa bat nyutli kita kemarenong bat abak henlang baro kila yok bakin khur arpsantli kita kema Kini ke district ke layok khori kini kita kema da ke jingla elek kai bah kinong siat khnam nadu ke sengi yakun ke baar ha ka ba kila la ban bat ke kerdan baningkong ha ke Iakob Jong ke Indian round bat ban benrap da ke jingla penilek kai bah sah ke compound bat kumju ha ke liang ke recurve kat ba ke kenhun ni lek kai ke East Khasi Hills kalawan ha ke kerdan ke baar hadin be kila yok bakin khurmar nyutli kita maksiar bat rupa bat southli kita kemarenong bat baro kilong kat pratli kat ba ke West Khasi Hills kala bat ke kerdan ke balai hadin bakala yok ban khurmar hendriutli kita kemaksiar rupa bat tak marenong kongsan ubalawan bandon lang haga final Jong kani ke jengikun udah menteri ketanat sports ke Khuborjylla uba wailat miki Shillong
and a bronze medal. Southwest Khasi District awarded silver medal. Congratulations, Manchester. And the gold goes to Devraj Mahapatra from East Khasi District. Congratulations, Devraj. And a bronze medal. Southwest Khasi District awarded silver medal. Congratulations, Manchester. And the gold goes to Devraj Mahapatra from East Khasi District. Congratulations, Devraj. Okay, then we have Navidisha, the Finia, and the second place goes to Navidisha Jammu. And the gold medal goes to Navidisha Khubor from East Khasi District. Khasi District. Manchester bronze medal match, bronze medal. And the silver medal goes to Iakob from Southwest Khasi District. To Devraj Mahapatra from East Khasi District. Lucky Bansharai Khonghat from East Khasi District. Congratulations, Lucky. Shadab from Ribhoi District goes to Prangupa Kharjarin from West Khasi District. Khasi from West Janja District. Congratulations all the three of you. district won the bronze medal from the bronze medal. Goes to Sneha Thapa from East Khasi district. Khasi district. From gold to bronze, we have all three from East Khasi district. Hip hip hooray, East Khasi district. And the silver goes. Khasi district. These are the sub-junior boys recurve division at 60-meter distance. Congratulations, boys. From Khubor district, awarded the bronze medal, Vivek Kumar. Jatailang Shangyar from Southwest Khasi district. Meghalaya Wanyang from Southwest Khasi district. Congratulations, boys. Very good. Vivek Kumar against bronze medal, bronze medal. And the silver goes to Meghalaya Wanyang from Southwest Khasi district. Congratulations, Elphinstone Khasi from West Janta Hill district. Congratulations, Elphinstone. Banpins Camp Klinkor from Southwest Khasi district. These are the upcoming compound archers from the junior category.
Now I think almost 3 hours. I got the opportunity to witness the competition. It was very exciting one and nail-biting one. So for this, I would like to congratulate each and everyone who have been a part. And most importantly, what I'm happy to see is when I look at the medal tally, that it is equally distributed. It was not dominated by one district. So for this, once again, I congratulate the Archery Association of Meghalaya. That means they are able to reach out to each and every district, and also they are able to provide the support which needed. So once again, a big congratulations to the Archery Association of Meghalaya, and also to all the participating districts. It's very happy to see for you coming, and especially for our friends traveling all the way from Garo Hills, all the way coming here. It is, I must thank you for coming and participating. And also at the same time, I would like to thank the coaching, the technical team behind, because we know archery, it's a very technical game. It's needed the required coaching and support. So I would like to congratulate each and everyone who have been a part and for making this championship a successful one. So I won't be lengthening my speech because I have a cabinet meeting at 4:30 just after today. So that's why I won't be lengthening my speech. But once again, I'm so happy, and I must take this opportunity to thank the Honorable Chief Minister for prioritizing Sports and Youth Affairs Department. Just to inform to all of you, my young archers, in the past, I think for many of you, you are like thinking that whether this state championship will happen or not, whether we'll have this kind of competition or not, because in the past, it was the support, the kind of support which needed, it was not there. But under the leadership of our Honorable Chief Minister, who have increased the sports budget from merely 40 crores 7 years back to this year 844 crores. It is a huge jump. That's why now we have money to support you, to support the station, to support this kind of championship. So because we do realize in order for you to able to participate in other part of the country and the world, you need this kind of competition to build your confidence. So that's why because of the support from the government, and as you all know that, and once again, I must congratulate the Archery Association of Meghalaya that they are one of the association who are very active in the team preparation. In the last review meeting, we have seen that they are doing very well. They have been traveling all over the state for the selection, for the team preparation, and also I'm so happy to see that all our effort, all our investment being made, it's starting to show the result. Just recently, the press asked me that how do you see that that sports it's growing in our state of Meghalaya. So I just mentioned that because of the team preparation and because of our investment, that's why we are being all the association, they are doing very well, especially just to share with you that in the previous, before this year, in the previous Khelo Tribal India game, the Meghalaya is ranked 28. But in the last year, we are able to jump from 28 to 13 rank. So everyone is shocked and amazed to know because it is a huge jump, and we are confident because of the hard work of the different association and the support from the government, we will be able to reach in the top 5 in the next coming year. So please continue to work hard, and the government is trying to come up with support and especially policies in order to encourage you, Archer. As you all know that we already passed the Meghalaya Outstanding Direct Appointment Policy, where whoever among from you, especially in the coming days, especially in next year, where we will be hosting the national game, whoever will bring medal, you will get direct government job. You don't need to appear any exam, you don't need to request any minister or anybody. Bring medal and take your job. So we have been doing and coming up with this policy in order to support and encourage you to work hard. And please remember, when you play, you don't play only for yourself. You play for your family, you play for your district, and most importantly, you play for your state. So please take pride in representing your beloved state of Meghalaya. So with these few words, once again, a big congratulations to all the state champion. I hope you'll, and I hope to see that you will work hard. And for those who are not able to win any medal today, this is just the beginning. If you don't able to win medal today, but you win my heart today. So big congratulations to each and every one of you. So with these few words, thank you, Mithila, Khuborjylla, and Jai Hind.